Hello viewers, welcome to Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. In this video from 7th class General Science, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions from the Unit 2 Nature of Substances. Acids. The substances which can turn blue litmus to red, which can neutralize bases and which are sour in taste are called acids. Examples: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. Bases. The substances which can turn red litmus to blue, which can neutralize acids, which are slippery in nature and which are bitter in taste are called bases. Examples: sodium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, etc. Neutral substances. The substances which are neither acids nor bases are called neutral substances. Examples: distilled water, salt solution, sugar solution, etc. Indicators. The substances which we use to test acids or bases or neutrals are called indicators. Examples: turmeric paper strips, methyl orange. Natural indicators. The indicators obtained from natural sources are called natural indicators. Examples: turmeric paper strips, litmus paper strips. Artificial indicators. The indicators which are prepared artificially are called artificial indicators. Examples: methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Olfactory indicators. The substances which change their smell when mixed with acids or bases are called olfactory indicators. Examples: onion essence, clove oil, vanilla essence. Universal indicator. A mixture of different indicators that show different colors with different solutions is known as universal indicator. Litmus. An indicator prepared by using the essence extracted from lichens is called litmus. Examples: red litmus, blue litmus. pH scale. The scale we use to find the strength of different acids and bases is called pH scale. This pH scale was introduced by the scientist Sorensen. Neutralization reaction. The reaction of an acid and a base is called neutralization reaction. The substances formed in neutralization reaction are water and salt. Salt. A chemical compound consisting of an ionic assembly of cations and anions is called salt. Example: sodium chloride. An antacid. A chemical compound that helps us from acidity or indigestion is called antacid. Example: aluminum hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Acid rain. Rainwater which is acidic in nature is called acid rain. Soap. A kind of salt which is mixed with fatty acids and used for cleaning our body, clothes and utensils is called soap. Alkalis. Bases that can dissolve in water are called alkalis. Example, sodium hydroxides. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis because all bases do not dissolve in water. Hydrangea, a kind of plant that has different colors of flowers based on the pH of soil in which it is growing is called hydrangea. If the soil pH is less than 5.5, then the hydrangea plant growing in that soil produces blue color flowers. If the soil pH is more than 6.5, then the hydrangea plants which are growing in that soil produce pink color flowers. If the soil pH is in between 5.5 and 6.5, then the hydrangea plant produces the flowers which are in purple color. Milk of magnesia. The common name of magnesium hydroxide is milk of magnesia. We use milk of magnesia as an antacid. Gastric acid. The hydrochloric acid produced in stomach as a part of gastric juice is called gastric acid. Acidic salt. A salt which is formed when a strong acid and weak base undergo neutralization reaction is called acidic salt. Example, ammonium chloride. Basic salt. A salt which is formed when a strong base and weak acid undergo neutralization reaction is called basic salt. Example, sodium carbonate. Neutral salt. A salt which is formed when a strong acid and strong base undergo neutralization reaction is called neutral salt. Example, sodium chloride or common salt. These are the key concepts and their definitions from Unit 2, Nature of Substances. In next video, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions from Unit 3 called Nutrition in Organisms. Till then, wish you all the best, dear children. Keep watching Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. This is Meda Prasad, biology teacher, signing off now. We'll meet you in next video. Bye.